All right, you guys, we're here today to open a box. Oh God. See, I told him to throw it gently, and then it's so heavy that it still scared me, even though he threw it gently. I'm gonna command you to open that. That's not the way I would open it. I'm not gonna say I necessarily lost a bet to make this video, but they've been trying to convince me to film this video for almost a month. This is the STIHL 2x4 skateboard. The actual 2x4 skateboard is the very first skate everything we ever did. And now it's come full circle, and now we're skating STIHL 2x4s. First try.
Is there a note?
I think so. You threw the box away so prematurely.
No, the box fell.
Oh my God, there's presents. Hey Braille, thanks for the great content. I especially enjoy the collaborative projects and that you make it We Skated episodes. My personal favorite material to build with is steel, so I thought it would be fun to make a board with that references the original Skate Everything 2x4, but in steel. Haha, I was right! Braille Encyclopedia in here. I wasn't sure how much nose or tail you wanted, or even which makes sense as which, or even which makes sense as which, so I gave you a couple of options for truck placement. Only 2 bolts each, although I did include 6 just in case. I built the deck at Hack RVA Makerspace in Richmond, Virginia. You can check them out at hackrva.org. And my other projects can be found on Instagram at isthatmattpour. Have fun, try not to break it or your shins at isthatmattpour. And he signed it. Thank you very much for bringing back that historical moment. Rowan, clip in like a few shots of the very first Skate Everything.
So we can all cry.
So we can all cry. Yeah, we want to make the audience cry.
So we're gonna make a new series and it's gonna be called Skate Everything. First initial idea is just a 2x4.
Let's do it.
Dude, that is amazing.
Nice!
Dude, that was awesome.
In the arms of the
I'm just gonna let Fetty do this and steal my moment. I want to hang this on the board wall already.
Wow.
Like, you ever get one of those that you just like immediately want to immortalize the second you're done filming the video? Last night when I was at Target, I found this electronic remote control Mario Kart thing. I definitely think we need to get it. See, Aaron has the easy job. He just gets to talk and then just watch other people set up the skateboard. The people that send us boards that also include hardware are like my favorite people in the world. It's a lot better when your finger isn't gushing blood everywhere. What in the... What? What have you done, Fetty? You broke it!
We're not barbarians. We're ready.
Good to go. Look at that. Fetty, great job. Kickflip off, Fetty. That can be done. Oh! Alright, here. Whoa! What? Alright, you gotta get it, Fetty. Ow! Is that the first steel shinner?
Yeah, but I don't feel it.
Yeah. Yeah, Fetty. What? Tray flip off?
Tray flip off, okay.
Yeah, get the slow-mo out. This is that Instagram fame for you, Fetty. This is what you want right here.
I'm trying to tray flip everything now since I did a spoon. I feel like if you could do a spoon, you could do anything.
Man. Dude. Oh! That is incredible. Dude. I think your specialty is just skating metallic objects.
I think you're right.
Oh! Whoa! What? Hit it back to back. Oh no!
Good.
You broke it!
It's good, it's good. I'm gonna tray flip. Totally cracked. Alright, right here.
I can't believe that you're the one that broke it, not Fetty.
I landed very gently on mine.
You really did. You floated on that.
I was like,
Wow. Wow, look at all of Fetty's blood on the ground. The amount of focus. I've never seen Fetty more focused on
oh, you
anything.
should have seen me at the bowling alley last night. They had a giant Pac-Man game.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All right, you're up. Or is it you?
No, you have to land it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, right here.
Yeah!
The square edge works better, I guess.
Fetty, do you think you can nose slide it?
Maybe.
That can be done.
Mini ramp?
Oh, yeah, yeah. That's a good idea.
fact that there's grip, it's so nice.
Oh yeah. Got that.
I do. I'm Batman.
Yeah. That's awesome too.
I'm gonna do that one.
Back to disaster.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby.
Doesn't seem like you should be able to do that.
Doesn't seem like you should be able to do anything.
You got it right here. See, I think we finally found the board that will go through the concrete wall in here. Look at the new paint job.
Gotta pop later. You know, we've had this for so long, didn't think anything would be done on it. at all.
No. We didn't think to make the video because I personally didn't think anything could be done on it.
That's why I left it on your desk for like a
Yes,
week.
I know that's why you left it on my desk for like a month. You're an animal. I don't know how you top that. That was scary. Dang.
Why did the cow go to New York?
Why?
To see all the musicals. All right, first try. All right, for real.
Wow.
That counts. All right, 3. All right, here we go.
What? Taking that.
Taking it. It's all yours, Daniel, son.
Whoa! Wow! He's going straight for the 5.
Firecracker just.
All right, man chops off his own legs right here.
No!
I told you.
Man cuts off his own leg.
tapped?
You got this.
I don't
you
know.
got
That
this.
was really kind of terrifying.
Want me to try too?
Yeah, just go. That was the scariest thing I've ever seen. Hey, I don't know if anyone saw that, but it made a hole in the wall going like a mile an hour. Like, that is terrifying.
Dude, literally, if it hits this, it's gonna go through. Yeah! Dude, that first try was horrifying.
I know, I thought I was dead.
What in the world?
for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.
No, seriously, I'm highly impressed with this thing.
Yeah, it's very good. Damn, get
Yeah.
your butt over here.
One of your best skating performances on a board ever.
Yeah, it was
and it's
very,
a plank.
Yeah, that was better than you skating on a normal board.
I know.
If you want to skate better, you just got to skate on something really dumb, and then. What? I know, I'm wall grabbing in commemoration of Lance. No, but seriously, that was amazing. Huge thanks to Fetty and Daniel for being. Ow!
For being Al.
Ah, I got a metal splinter, dude.
Oh, I like how like we've been skating this for like 30 minutes.
How
and
have you
get
seriously?
hurt.
And I'm the one that gets the metal splinter. Okay, that makes sense. But anyways, huge thanks to Fetty and Daniel for skating in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And a huge thanks to Matt for sending us this amazing steel 2x4.
Sorry it took us forever to skate it.
We're sorry. It's Daniel's fault. Not that Daniel, the Australian Daniel that you guys have been asking about.
Behind.
Did you see it cave in? I feel bad now.